In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Roblox gift card currency must match your account country. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are trying to redeem a Roblox gift card code and it is telling you that the currency of the code does not match your account location, what you have to do is talk to their customer support or contact the retailer that sold you the code. Because, just like the arrow suggests, every time you buy a Roblox gift card and you try to redeem it, your account's location has to be within the same currency of the code. So, for example, if your account is set to the United States and you try to redeem a Roblox gift card containing Canadian dollars, it's not going to work. The currency of the gift card that you redeem must be in United States dollars. So, if you are having this problem, like I said, you have two options. First, you can click Help at the bottom of the Roblox website, scroll down, and then you will find Contact Us. Click Contact Us and then access this option, Support Form. You will be redirected to roblox.com/support. In here, you can talk to them, select your platform, and choose the help category as gift card. You will be able to describe your issue, and as you can see, the problem is right here. My gift card currency doesn't match my account country. They are going to either give you an answer and tell you what you can do, or they are going to manually redeem the gift card for you. You will have to prove that you bought the gift card and give them all the necessary information that they ask for. So include an email address and you will be able to talk to them. Alternatively, you also have the option to talk to the retailer where you bought the Roblox gift card. So for example, if you got the gift card from Walmart, you can also talk to them and see if it is possible that they sold you a wrong currency code. If that was the case, then Walmart will have to go through the refund process with you. But for the most part, it doesn't matter which one you pick, as long as you either talk to the Roblox customer support or the customer support for the retailer where you got the gift code, you will be able to redeem it properly into your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Roblox gift card currency must match your account country. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.